Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're looking at the best car blowers to keep your vehicle spotless and make cleaning a breeze. Whether you're drying your car after a wash or clearing out debris, these blowers offer power, efficiency, and convenience. We'll review the top models, their standout features, and why they're a must-have for car enthusiasts. All product links are in the description below. If you're ready to elevate your car care routine, let's get started. Number 5. X64 Car Violent Blower. The X64 Car Violent Blower redefines compact power tools, delivering an incredible combination of performance, design, and versatility. From its aerodynamic appearance to its high-speed functionality, this handheld turbo jet fan is a game-changer for cleaning and maintenance tasks. Design: aesthetic meets aerodynamics. With its diamond-cut exterior and supercar-inspired aerodynamic layout, the X64 Car Violent Blower is as stylish as it is functional. The dual auxiliary intake grills not only enhance the airflow, but also contribute to safer, smoother usage. Compact yet robust. Its 400G carbon fiber composite body is durable, lightweight, and resistant to high temperatures. Perfect for those who value convenience and longevity. Performance: a turbocharged powerhouse. Powered by a 64mm high-speed brushless motor fan group, this mini-turbo fan achieves a wind speed of 240 km per hour and an astounding 1,400 gram thrust. Its scientifically engineered duct design ensures optimal performance, whether you're removing dust or inflating an air cushion. Number 4. Aneng Car Violent Blower. If you're looking for a portable yet powerful cleaning solution, the Aneng Car Violent Blower delivers high-performance airflow in a compact, stylish design. Whether it's tackling dust, drying surfaces, or cleaning tricky spots, this mini turbo jet fan proves that big power can come in small packages. Weighing just 400 grams, the Aneng blower features a carbon fiber composite body that's not only ultra-lightweight, but also highly durable. Its sleek and ergonomic design makes it easy to maneuver. Number 3. TF64 Car Violent Air Blower. The TF64 Car Violent Air Blower is the ultimate tool for tackling tough cleaning jobs with ease. Combining turbocharged power, high-speed airflow, and practical features like LED lighting, this handheld blower offers everything you need in one sleek, compact package. Design: compact, efficient, and bright. Weighing just the right amount to be ultra-portable, the TF64 Car Violent Air Blower features a 64mm brushless motor that packs an impressive 1,600 G of thrust. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling for extended use. Plus, the integrated LED lighting makes it easy to see in low-light conditions, perfect for those tricky spots in your car, workshop, or home. Performance: high-powered cleaning action, with a high-speed motor and powerful 4,000 mAh battery. Number 2. Isfriday Turbo Jet Fan XL. The Isfriday Turbo Jet Fan XL is not just another air blower. It's a high-powered, versatile tool designed to take your cleaning and DIY tasks to the next level. With a 1,500 G thrust and an incredible 140,000 RPM speed, this turbo jet fan delivers exceptional performance, all in a compact handheld design. Powerful performance: engineered for efficiency. At the heart of the Isfriday Turbo Jet Fan XL lies a 64mm brushless motor that delivers a maximum power of 1,008 W. Whether you're removing debris, drying surfaces, or tackling challenging cleaning projects, the stepless speed regulation allows you to fine-tune the airflow to your specific needs. The motor's high-speed capabilities push the fan to an impressive 140,000 RPM. Number 1. Superstrong Air Blower. Introducing the Superstrong Air Blower, the ultimate tool for those who demand top-tier performance in a compact package. With its 90mm brushless motor and a massive 5,000 G thrust, this blower is engineered for both power and efficiency, making it perfect for a wide range of cleaning and maintenance tasks. The Superstrong Air Blower is a marvel of modern engineering, featuring a second-generation design with a 12-blade fan group and 90mm metal high-speed duct assembly. It delivers a massive 230 meters per second wind speed for exceptional airflow. The ergonomic handheld design ensures comfort during extended use, while the stepless speed control throttle allows you to adjust airflow from 1% to 100% with ease. The ABS plus PETG carbon fiber shell enhances durability while keeping the blower lightweight and easy to handle. Unstoppable power. Powered by a 3000 W motor and a battery-powered structure, this blower offers incredible thrust, reaching up to 5000 G. The performance boost compared to previous models is striking. Wind power has increased by 40%, while the overall size and weight have been reduced. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.